Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I'll show there are number of subtypes of variable like byte, integer, long int, small int, word. We can get the minimum value, maximum value of this subtype variable and byte size of byte. We can get this information using high, low and size of low, high. With this function we can get this information of subtype of variables information. Compile. Byte, size of byte 1, maximum value 0, minimum value 0, maximum value 255. Integer, size of byte 4, minimum value, maximum value. Press enter to exit. With this method you can get any information of subtype of variable, size of byte, minimum value and maximum value. Thank you for watching. Please